Hello everyone, this is our industrial oven of Dinesh Scientific. This is main door. This is the chamber of oven. We have given 6 partition to adjust as per our requirement. This is electrical control panel, main MCB, blower to on the blower, and there are 3 indications of load 1, load 2 and load 3, and this is digital temperature controller. We can change temperature as per our requirement by this controller. Press set button and then we can change temperature by up and down button and then start. Then our oven get in started condition. It is very simply to operate. Thank you. Have a nice day.